Hello everyone, this video I'm going to walk you through how to customize Samsung home screen. So the first thing you're going to do is, from the home screen here, press down like this and into space, and then you go to settings, which is the fourth option here. Tap on it, and here you have your home screen settings, and you can customize everything. You can start by customizing the home screen layout. Okay, you can set to customize the home screen layout. So this is the layout. You can keep things organized by arranging your widget and favorite app on the home screen. All your apps will be shown on the app screen also. If you want that, you tap on apply. If you want to the home screen only, all your apps will be shown on the home screen, tap on apply. That means you want to have the app screen, everything will be on the home screen. So that's the first thing you can do. The second one is you can customize your home screen grid by choosing 4x5, 4x6 to cut the apps, 5x5, they're getting smaller, 5x6, smaller size. So in a way, you can make your icon bigger or smaller. If you choose 4x5, it's the bigger size. If you choose 5x6, it's the smaller size. The another thing you can do is you can also customize your folder grid, your app screen grid, the same thing. You can choose 4x5, it's the biggest, or 5x6, which is the smallest. You also have your folder grid. You customize it to 3x4 or 4x4, it depends on you. The next thing, you can also decide to show app screen button on home screen. If you don't want that, simply turn this off for you. Then you can also lock home screen layout, which is this option over here, which means to prevent items on the home screen from being removed or repositioned. If you want to do that, turn it on. If you don't want to do that, leave it off. You can also add new apps to home screen. If you want to be able to do that, turn it on. If you don't want to be able to do that, turn it off. You can also hide apps. Tap on hide apps, and here you can choose the app you want to hide. Tap on it and to be hidden. So the next thing you have is app icon badges to show with number. If you do not want to do that, turn it off and to not show the app icon will not show with numbers. Tell you how many apps, how many messages or updates you have there, or notifications you have on that app. The next one we have is the swipe down for notification panel. Now if you turn this on, it means you can open the notification panel by swiping down anywhere on the home screen. If you turn it off, you cannot swipe down anywhere on the home screen, anywhere to get to your notification panel. Next we have rotation to landscape mode. If you turn it off, it means your home screen cannot rotate to landscape mode. If you turn it on, it can rotate. So remember, if you turn it off, you cannot rotate, which means to be in portrait mode. Next one is about home screen, where it's not by home screen and how to contact. That's all. That is how to customize home screen on Samsung. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.